Hello children, in this video we will learn about generations of computer. Children, you all are aware that a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The evolution of this complex system started around 1940 with the first generation of computer and it is evolving ever since. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer is being used. The development of computers in different phases is called generations of computer. Computers have been developed in 5 distinct phases. Each phase is characterized by the type of switching circuits used in the computer. The first generation ranged from 1944 to 1955. Vacuum tubes were used to develop computers in this generation. These computers could calculate in milliseconds. ENIAC was the first electronic computer of the first generation. The second generation of computers spanned from 1956 to 1965. They were based on transistors instead of vacuum tubes. High-level programming languages like Fortran, COBOL, ALGOL were developed in this generation. They had better portability as compared to first generation computers and also better speed to calculate data in microseconds. The third generation computers came into existence during the period 1966 to 1975. These computers were based on integrated circuits made up of a single component containing number of transistors. They reduced the computational time from microseconds to nanoseconds. These computers were used for online processing such as airline reservation system. The fourth generation evolved in the period 1976 to 1985. Large-scale integrated circuits were used in this generation, which are also known as microprocessors. These computers were smaller in size as compared to the previous generations and very fast in speed. Mini, portable, and supercomputers come under this generation. The fifth generation started from 1985 onwards. This generation of computers is based on artificial intelligence. The aim of the fifth generation is to make a device which could respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. The devices such as desktop, laptop, and notebook come under this generation. Children, I hope you have understood how the computers evolved from 1940 till date. So now let's buck up to welcome the sixth generation of computers that introduces the voice recognition by taking dictation and recognizing the words. Thank you.